loving your weird food combos.
Coffee, ice cream, and Oreos. Good gosh, they went through a lot of pickles, raspberry. Y'all, we got too much over here. We got too much going on. Pickles. Pickles. Raspberries. I used to be so organized. Like, what's going on? Raspberries. Coffee ice cream. Coffee ice cream. Got it. Ooh. Y'all, when did they stop doing this? Because that girl licked that ice cream? All right. Oh, no, not a lot, not a lot. What are we doing? And crushed up Oreos. Y'all, I'm waiting to do the sour cream and Oreos. Okay. You mix that baby in here. Y'all, this is not bad. This does not look bad. This might be good. Okay, let's get every ingredient up in here. Ready? Get the pickle. Bone apple feet. I don't know how she thought of this combo. It reminds me of something I don't remember, but the first thing you taste is the raspberry, and the ice cream coats it all. And then the pickle gives that little kick. And the Oreo is like the cherry on top. And I was making fun of her. Oh my God, that is good.